what's going on, everybody? In this video, I'll show you how to get any Nintendo Switch game you guys want for completely free, and this will work for any Nintendo Switch game. It doesn't matter the price or the age of it. It can be like the most newest game, or it can even be a pre-order that you guys want for free, and you're going to be able to unlock all the content in the game as well for free. Like, for example, if it's a game that has a lot of DLC or like, you know, in-game cosmetics, you'll be able to use this method to get everything in the game for free as well. So all you guys have to do is follow my steps. It's really simple, and you're gonna have a lot of leftover money from this method as well to go ahead and buy other things as well if you guys want. So before we get started though, guys, I also have to let you all know that I am doing a major giveaway here on the channel. So everyone watching, you guys could all get some free money. I'm loaded up on Cash App, as you guys could see, both phones, well over 100,000 on both of these. And if you guys want, just leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and go ahead and comment your Cash App ID and PayPal email. And this is not like a screenshot, as you guys could see. It is the real app here, as you guys could see. Real Cash App, so it's not like a screenshot. But do make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and comment your Cash App Cash App tag and PayPal email. I'm going to be selecting a bunch of you guys to give free money to, and everyone is getting. But also, guys, for you to be able to enter and actually win, you do have to follow me on Instagram. So that's going to be Jaymon's YouTube. That is my Instagram. I recommend you guys do follow me on there, and you will be able to get yourselves some free money as well from there, guys. Just follow me there. But now what we're gonna want to do, guys, is very simply, it's super simple to go ahead and get this free any Nintendo Switch game for free. So what we have to do, guys, is all you have to do is take out your phone. So you can't do this method on a computer. So take out your iPhone or Android device, and or your iOS or Android device, and you're gonna want to go to this website, glitchcash.com. Okay, guys, so go over to glitchcash.com on your phone, and basically on this website, it's going to give us a chance to get a $750 to $1,000 like gift card, or not a gift card, but like a voucher, and it's going to give us money into our PayPal or Cash App, and I think also they could do Amazon gift card and Visa, but I claimed it with a Cash App and PayPal. But basically, you go to glitchcash.com, and then you're gonna see a button that says Claim Now, guys. Okay, so you're gonna click this Claim Now button, and it's gonna take you to a questionnaire. And on this questionnaire, you just have to fill it all out, guys. It's gonna ask for stuff like your email, those kinds of things. Completely easy to fill out. It will take you maybe 10 minutes. This is probably like the easiest money you'll ever make in your entire life because of how easy it is to do. But yeah, it's just gonna ask you to fill out some stuff, the questionnaire, and then you just fill it all out, like put in your name, put in your email. It might even ask you to play a game or set up like a trial on something. Sometimes like you have to download a game and play it, and do some tasks in the game. That's completely normal and part of it. And also, guys, if your questionnaire does not look like mine, like the one I'm showing you right now, that's fine as well. Just go ahead and complete it all. It does not matter what yours looks like. In the end, the result will be the same, and I'm going to show you guys proof that I do wind up getting my money from this as well. So we just fill it all out, and then and I'm going to fast forward to when I get to the end, guys. So give me like 10 minutes, and I'll show you guys what happens next. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and filled everything out. It took about like 10 to 15 minutes, like I said. It wasn't hard at all. It was a breeze. And now it redirected me back to the glitchcash.com website, and this is what it looks like. So it's showing me like I'm back on the site, right? And it's saying success questionnaire fully completed, and now it's asking me to put in my Cash App tag and my PayPal email. And what we have to go ahead and do, guys, is just go ahead and put it in, and then we just enter in our Cash App tag, and then all we have to do now, guys, is it's going to go ahead and send it, I believe. So I'm going to put in mine right now, and it's going to say sending. Okay, that's great. And now I'm going to go back into the Cash App, and let's see if it actually did send it. Okay, guys, look at that. We just got $1,000 into our Cash App, guys, and it looked like the questionnaire did work. So glitchcash.com did work, and now what we do is we take this money and we can go ahead and buy anything we want. In this case, we're going to be buying Nintendo Switch games because that's what we wanted, right? So we're going to be getting those, and yeah, it works. So really, really easy trick, guys. It does work, and now we just go ahead and use this to buy anything, and most of the time, you won't even use all of the money on Nintendo Switch games. I can imagine that most of you guys don't need $1,000 for Nintendo Switch games. Like maybe some of us will buy a couple games, but we'll still have like $800 left over. So I'm going to be buying like some new PC parts and some new clothes. So yeah, but let me know what you guys wind up using the money for and what game you wind up buying. Personally though, like I'm just going to use most of it for like the clothes and stuff, but That's it for the video, guys. To recap, go to glitchcache.com on your phone, not your computer, and you will be good to go. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.